So you glued up a panel or boards together. What's next? Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm J.C. Jensen. So I'm just briefly going to cover the next step after you've glued some boards together, right? What do we do? Well, so here, this is a 3-panel glue up, right? 1, 2, and 3. I don't use biscuits. I don't use any of those festool things. It's just a square joint on a square joint, right? And I achieve these seamless glue ups because I've hand planed each of those edges prior to gluing, right? And it comes out wonderful, and it's extremely strong. Now, again, what's the next step? Well, the next step is to make it perfectly flat, right? Depending on how well you do your glue up will determine how much work you got to do. For me, this looks like a lot, but it's really not. This is 5 minutes of work with a really sharp, good hand plane, right? That's how I achieve it, and that's how I would recommend you achieve it. So this had a slight cup to it, right? I laid it on a very flat surface, which today was my table saw, extremely flat, right? I laid it on there, identified, hey, it's touching here and it's touching here. Plane those, and I plane it down until I get it flat. Although the whole surface is flat. After that, it's real simple. I take it over to my planer, run it through there, and plane this other side to make it parallel to the bottom surface and achieve the desired thickness that I'm looking for. Right on. That's your next step. Make it flat. Hope that helps. We'll see you down the road.